Hey guys, this is Taylor from Truck World RVA. I have a 2011 F750 with a 6.7 Cummins in it, 199,000 miles. It's a 25.9 door sticker truck. It's got an Autocrane. I believe the model is 8406. It's an 8,400 pound capacity crane. It's full hydraulic outriggers. It's got a Lincoln Ranger 10,000 little welder on it. It does have this Boss Infinity unit. That does not work. It has a compressor in the bed that we're getting a new motor for. So there's a compressor right there. It's an 11-foot Autocrane body. Real nice truck. Spent its whole life out of Oklahoma. So it's completely rust-free up underneath. And it's in pretty good shape all the way around. Here's your slide-out bins on the driver's side. It is an extended cab truck as well. So you have a little bit of extra cab space inside. And my number is 804-716-8487. If you'd like any close-up videos or pictures, anything that I kind of leave out, or if you'd like to see more of, just let me know. We got some scratches here, but all in all, the body's in good shape. It does have this vinyl decal on it. That can be removed, but that's how it sits right now. Pretty good rubber all the way around. Really reset on tires for a while. Again, 804-716-8487. If you see anything you'd like more close-up pictures of. It's got a brand new wireless remote and transmitter on the crane, and nice extra cab space there. Only thing on the dash is a warning light for low def. Just have to refill the def tank. It's an Allison auto transmission. Again, it's got 199 on the miles. There's your hour meter right there, and just a really clean truck all around. Pretty easy to drive. It does have air brakes. Cummins. So the only thing I'm waiting on this truck is the motor for the compressor. Other than that, it's all ready to go. It's been serviced, inspected, and it's ready to go to work. Got your reels up top. That's plumbed into the compressor there. Let's go over to the outriggers here. See, right side up. There we go. Compressor that we're waiting on the motor for. Here's a shot of the crane. Here's a load chart on it. 8406, 8,400 pound max lifting capacity. I think that's what I said. The vise, tow hitch. Again, it's an 11-foot Autocrane body. Nice work bumper on the back. And passenger side does not have any bins or any slide-out drawers. But the driver's side has those two on the front bins. Batteries down there. And torch boxes on the side. Get up underneath that real quick for you. Again, if there's anything that you'd like to see more of, just give me a shout, 804-716-8487. 2011 F750, 6.7 Cummins, Allison Auto, 199 on the miles, 8,400 pound hydraulic crane. Nice mechanic's truck here. Give me a text if you have any questions. Thanks.